at Boom Barn Fireworks, and right off the bat I can see some pretty good stuff over here. Got some Excaliburs, got some Roman candles here, got a very big assortment here. Pyro Vault, 600 bucks, that's a lot. Got some pretty big stuff in there. Some Roman candles. Some parachutes over here as well. A parachute candle. These are pretty interesting. King Crackling Barrel. Snakes. Of course you got the Poopy Puppy. That's a classic. Holiday shell. Must be mini shells or something. What are these?
Yeah.
What are these? These are interesting.
They're like artillery shells that are like that big.
Seriously?
Yeah, so they maybe go like, I don't know, 20 feet in the air.
That's interesting.
20, 30 feet, yeah.
Must be really tiny then.
Yeah. I'll tell you, there's a reason they're so cheap. If you like artillery shells,
yeah,
you won't like those.
Firecrackers. That's interesting. Man, the smoke. We got a lot of smoke. Military smoke. Smoke in a box. Got a lot of spinners too. These are really cool. Got some kids assortments over here. And some slightly bigger ones. There's Roman candles here. Some missile batteries. This one's got some big ones in it. That's interesting. 40 bucks. 130 bucks for 750 shots. I've actually seen worse than that, but that's a pretty good price actually, compared to others. Ripper missile. Tomahawk. Some bottle rockets here. Ooh, radioactive. Mega Willow. That's a pretty big pack of rockets. Color and boom. Some single shots, no abs. $500 shots, $389. Battle of the Bands, $360. Battlefront, Payback. There's Taco Fireworks, Taco Pyrotechnics. Living Color, Bitter Heat. We'll come back to these. We'll come back over here. Here's some more shells. Lord of War. Got some diesel, ganja, cowabunga. These three right here, these are really good shells. All three of those. Tiger Force. I just bought a pack of those. Ghostacular, Diablo, Neon Skies. Here, let's get the prices here. It's kind of pricey, but Neon Skies, Flawless, Mother of all fireworks, Happy Endings. There's some haze. I might pick those up actually. Got some Excaliburs here too. 70 bucks for 25 shells. That's a pretty good price. Those are classics too, so. More assortments. Bucket of fun. Thunderstorm. Spirit of Missouri. Cornhuskers. Oh, that's cool. Look at that. That's pretty interesting. I've never seen that before. Bug Guide. I've had that before. Squealer. Smoking Alien Fireworks. Multicore drive. Some more shells. Back to the 500 gram cakes. Cluster bomb. Nishiki Mine. Till Death Do We Part. That's an interesting name. Hardcore Pyro. What's this? 43 shots. Very nice stuff here. Got this $1,000 assortment here. Max. Very nice. Got some more here. Double thumb. Cherry bomb. Highfalutin and Hit the Road Jack. Those are for sale, I guess. On sale. Got some pretty good stuff in here.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I know you've been probably to lots of different fireworks stands, so appreciate it.
Yeah, I've been eyeing those ganja and cuss shells.
Yeah,
or diesel.
awesome.
Yeah, they are.
Top of the market.
Yeah. They're a bit pricey though.
Indeed.
They always are.
Indeed. Oh yeah. Most of our 24 packs are around $100, maybe a little bit more, but yeah, those are
Yeah.
a whole nother level.
They're always over $100. Got the little fountains over here. Frog Princess and Frog King. $18 for that. We got some cake packs here. Statue of Liberty. Raccoon Squad. I think that concludes that. There's a lot of pretty good stuff here. I'm thinking about maybe getting these and the haze shells, maybe a couple other things, but yeah, they got some really nice stuff here. So